Alright, y'all, here's how we start out my cube steaks. I just layer them down in the bottom of the pan, or crock pot. Each layer, I add a little seasoning. That was garlic powder there. There's some pepper, some onion powder, and just a tad of salt, touch of salt. And I just keep layering them up. Just like that. Again, seasoning. I'm going to skip the salt on this one. Onion, garlic, pepper, a little bit of salt on this one too, and we're going to cap her off with one more like that. Kind of push it down in. I'll throw a little more seasoning on there, throw a lid on it, a little bit of liquid. Cook her for, I'm going to be gone to work for about 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, something like that. Let her cook on low, and we'll come back and finish this meal off. Alright, y'all. We've had these cube steaks cooking away all day long. I just fogged y'all's lens up. Can you see? Alright, y'all. We've had these cooking away all day. They should be good and tender. Oh yeah, they're looking delicious, smelling delicious. I'm going to pop them out of here, if I can, without making them in one big chunk. Ooh, look at that, they're falling apart. So, alright, I'm going to get these out of here, and we'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. Got that meat all out of there. And now we're going to make some gravy. We're going to use the liquid that's left over from the steaks. And I'm just using the pre-mixed stuff. And I'm guesstimating there's 2, maybe 3 cups of juice in there. So I'm going to take that. I still have it on low. We're going to mix that up. I think I'm going to need one more pack, so I always keep this stuff on hand. So alright, yeah, oh yeah, she's thickening it up now. There we go. And now I'm going to add a bunch of sliced mushrooms in here. Ooh, look at that, look at that. And there's my mushroom gravy. So, alright. We got that in there. I'm going to throw the lid back on. Get them down in there a little bit. I might add a little bit more liquid. I got some chicken or beef broth in the fridge. May add a little bit more liquid to that. Let this cook for about a half an hour or so. So the mushrooms get good and tender. And it'll be ready to eat. So we'll bring you guys back in. Alright, y'all. It's been about roughly 45 minutes. Notice I did put some onions in here too. I decided onions would be good with this mushroom and gravy. And you can see all the little pieces, parts in there from the drippings. Got the mushrooms all cooked down and nice and tender. So I'm going to grab me a plate, get this all loaded up, and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all, we got our plate of full food here. We did add some long grain and wild rice. I made a little garlic bread too to go with it, just for something a little different. So let's have a taste here. And cube sticks are so good and tender. And that mushrooms and onions, and that gravy, whoa. Of course, long grain and wild rice is always good. Of course, we can't forget about the beverage of the day. Having the Faygo grape soda again. No, just rocking it out. Oh, very good. So, all right, y'all. Appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out what we're cooking here. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe, ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the shop, and when we go tractor pulling and stuff. Appreciate that. Leave me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever you prefer. Either way, leave me a comment. Especially if you leave me a thumbs down. Give me a thumbs down. Let me know why. I'll change. If you don't like it, alright, whatever, you know. Hey, take it easy. So, Sunday night live streams, 7 p.m. Come on in, hang out with us, chat about everything. It's always a fun time. Go about an hour, a little longer if, you know, good chat or whatever. So, anyways, appreciate you all watching. Please try this recipe. Super easy, very tasty, and like I always say, bon appetit.